So, on a hot July morning, my new shed gets delivered on a flatbed truck. It was a tight fit up the driveway, but the crew managed to back in flawlessly. The crew consisted of Eric, Jake, and Seth. These gentlemen acted as a well-oiled machine. Each man knew exactly what his job was, and things moved along at a fast pace. I was impressed by the speed and accuracy of their work. It was Jake's job to build the floor joists on site with 2x10 stock lumber. When he finished, Eric came along with 4x8 plywood to sheathe the floor. Reed's Ferry Sheds is unique in the manufacture and installation of top-quality wooden sheds. These sheds are built with a 30-year warranty and are as durable as they are beautiful. They are fully customizable and are delivered fully assembled to the customer's property. The company is located on a 12-acre site in Hudson, New Hampshire. Here, the potential customer can roam around through a myriad of sheds, gazebos, pool houses, and various outbuildings. The company is celebrating 60 years of successful service to the New England communities. What impressed me the most was the ability to sit down with a Reed's Ferry representative and plan out just how I wanted my building to be built. I chose an 8-foot garage door on the front, a 3-foot door and 2 windows on the left side, a single window on the back, a 4-foot loft, and an 8-foot entrance ramp. I also had a shed dormer built on the left roof.
Take it out.
Fits like a glove.
What's that?
Fits like a glove.
Let it go out.
The gable end at the front of the shed is too heavy and up too high for the workers to lift by hand. So an ingenious steel come-along is used to crank the unit into place. Seth uses a power drill to operate the unit. It moves very, very slowly, so I sped up the video. Next, the gable roof section is added.
worried about my height.
Somewhere along the line, a fourth workman arrived. There he is on the left. I believe he was a supervisor, since he instructed Jake how to shingle the gable roof. I never got his name, sorry. Then the roof is clad with plywood.
Hey, do we have food under there? That's the one. The other one's on the end of the trailer. I'll get it.
The camera, give a big wave, and thank you very much.
You got it.